Hey, what's up guys? So the Waterdrop filters come in just like this. So we get it open. So here we have whole house filter, model WD-W88A. You have your other one, same thing, reduce everything, 5 micro. So this is WD-W89, and we'll replace these right here. Hey, what's up guys? So today I want to change the filters. It's been about 6 months, so we'll change them up. So I did buy them here, and we have another one kind of fell right here. So we'll replace both of them. So first of all, make sure everything is shut off, make sure nothing is open, and this is the tool you will need. Slide it in. Okay, loosen it, take it out. Probably has water in it. Okay, oh yeah, that's so bad. So this is the first one. You can see there, it looks crazy compared to the new one. Okay, so let's replace it. Get it open, you can see there, put it inside. Pretty much line up just like this. Now we'll put this one back in. Okay, we'll snug it just a bit. Good enough. Check the second one. Loosen it up. Take it out. Okay, pour it out. So you can see there, it looks horrible compared to the new one. Wow, that thing worked good. Okay, we'll get it open. Put it inside, just like that. And put it back. Snug it. Okay, so that's it. That's how you change these filters. Pretty cool. And yes, it does clean. You can see that. Horrible. Look at that. Horrible. Perfect. Lasts about 6 months.